So between the 18th and the 22nd of March, I was seeing various PLPR workings run by 37025 and 116. So my first catch was at Johnston, and it was 1 Quebec 75, the 1849 close roll freight service to Moss End Down Yard from Moss End Down Yard. So every couple of months, the 950 comes up to Scotland to do some track recording. However, the last time I was up, it never got to do the Ayrshire coastline, so the 37s filled in for it. So here they are at Prestwick Town under 1Q08, the early 1337 turned up at 1332, close full freight service to Moss End Down Yard from Moss End Down Yard. So due to the PLPR going down to the Ayrshire coastline on the 20th, that date would normally run 1 Quebec 77 up to Inverness. However, of course, because that didn't happen, that had to be delayed by a day. So here on Sunday, the 21st of March, we see 1 Quebec 77 indeed underway, running from Moss End to Inverness. It was scheduled to stop from 1517 to 1559, however, it did not and went straight through the station, so I do apologise for the bad video.